Hello everybody, I am Prakash Chandra Das. In this video, we are going to discuss it problem related to inverse Z transform. Okay. For example, if problem is given like this, how we need to find out the inverse Z transform. That we are going to observe the problem. So, find the inverse Z transform of x of z equal to 1 plus 1 by 2z inverse divided by 1 plus 3z inverse plus 2z inverse 2. Okay. Now solve it. Okay. Multiplying z square on numerator and denominator. Multiplying z square numerator and denominator. Okay. So x of z is equal to z square plus 1 by 2z divided by z square plus 3z plus 2. Okay. How it function? That is z square into 1 equal to z square. Z square. Okay. Then 1 by 2z. How it function? That is the z to the power minus n equal to 1 by z. Okay. Z to the power n. Yes or no? We know that a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. Okay. Clear? So here z to the power 1 inverse 1 equal to 1 by z. Okay. So 1 by 2 z inverse, that is 1 by 2, then z inverse equal to 1 by z into z square multiply. So z 1 z is cancelled, then that is the value of z. Okay. So 1 by 2 z inverse is, that is the value of 1 by 2 z. Okay. Now z square plus 3z plus 2. How it will work? That is the same z square into 1, that is z square. Okay. Then 3z inverse, z inverse is already we have done. Z inverse equal to 1 by z. Z inverse equal to 1 by z. So 3z inverse equal to 3z inverse equal to 3 into 1 by z multiply z square into z square. Okay. 1z cancel out, then 3z. Okay. That is 3z plus 2, that is the 2z inverse 2. 2z inverse 2. Okay. 2z inverse 2 means if z to the power minus 2 equal to, okay, 1 by z square. Okay. Z to the power 2 inverse equal to 1 by z square. Okay. So 2 into 1 by z square into z square cancel out, that is only value of 2. Okay. The value of 2, that is z square plus 3z plus 2. Okay. So x of z equal to z into z plus 1 by 2. Okay. Z into z square. Okay. Z into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2z. Okay. Then the fractional, z plus 2 bracket and z plus 1. Okay. So z square, z into z square. Okay. Z into 1 z, then 2 into z 2z, then 2 into 1 2, 2z plus z, that is 3z, z square plus 3z plus 2. Okay. Then dividing z in both sides. Okay. X of z sides, then the z of z plus 1 by 2 divided by z into z plus 2 and z plus 1. So z cancel out, then the value of z plus 1 by 2 divided by z plus 2 z plus 1. Okay. Now using partial fraction method. Okay, we are using partial fraction method. Okay, then equal to a by first a by z plus 2, then b by z plus 1. Two fraction there, one fraction is a by z plus 2 and another is b by z plus 1. Okay, so a is equal to z plus 1 by 2 divided by z plus 1, where z equal to minus 2, z plus 2, that is z equal to minus 2. Okay, so z value minus 2, then here z value minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, divided by minus 2 plus 1, z value minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, divided by minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, whole divided by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, then b equal to z plus 1 by 2 divided by z plus 2. Okay, b value b by z plus 1, here z equal to minus 1, z plus 1, that is z equal to minus 1, which is equal to z value is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 plus 2. Okay, equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 plus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2, then minus 1 plus 2 1 equal to minus 1 by 2. That b value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, then x of z divided by z equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means a value is 3 by 2. A value is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 divided by z plus 2. Okay, a by z plus 2, here a value is 3 by 2, then put the value 3 by 2, then all divided by z plus 2. Okay, plus b by z plus 1. Okay, b value is minus 1 by 2, that value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, all divided by z plus 1. Okay, so the cross multiplication is x of z by z. Okay, x of z by z. Here z is multiply right side. Okay, here 3 by 2 into z by z plus 2, because z is multiply. Okay, plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that z is multiply. Okay, z is, if this z is multiply here z by z plus 1. Okay, clear? Then we are taking inverse z transform. Okay, inverse z transform, since x of n is equal to 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power n u of n plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power n u of n. Okay, how it will function, that is the inverse z transform is that is x of z. Okay, equal to z by z minus 1 equal to a to the power n u of n. Okay, z inverse x of z value is z by z minus 1 equal to a to the power n u of n. Okay, so 3 by 2 x of n equal to 3 by 2 z by z plus 2, z by z plus 2, here z by z minus a. Okay, z inverse x of z, okay, equal to z by z minus a equal to a to the power n u of n. Here minus here 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 here z by z plus 2 a to the power n. Okay, a to the power n means minus, here a value is that plus 2 value. Okay, here z plus 2 equal to minus 2 to the power n u of n. Okay, plus minus 1 by 2 z by z plus 1. Here a value is minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 to the power n u of n. Okay, thank you.